Which of the following provides a database administrator with tools to collect critical performance metrics for optimizing SQL statements and instance settings? The options are Option A, database recovery, Option B, database monitoring, Option C, database security, and Option D, database maintenance. This question focuses on the administrative capabilities required to analyze system behavior. Specifically, consider what functional area is designed to track real-time activity and resource usage. We are looking for the category of tools that allows an administrator to gain visibility into how efficiently queries are running and how the database engine itself is performing over time. In my view, the correct answer is Option B, database monitoring. Monitoring provides the necessary visibility into performance metrics, such as query execution times and resource utilization, which are essential for identifying bottlenecks. By analyzing this data, a database administrator can effectively tune SQL statements and adjust instance configurations to improve overall system efficiency. Looking at the other options, database recovery is focused on restoring data after an incident. Database security is strictly about protecting against unauthorized access, while database maintenance refers to routine upkeep, like index rebuilding or software patches. None of these provide the specific analytical toolset required for deep dive performance optimization.